So hello guys, we're going to change it. We're going to change the sound again. Okay, now so the guys are there. I don't know why, but it's too small. So guys, I don't know why, but wait, I can switch my avatar. This is not the perfect avatar. I need my shotman. It's the perfect one for me. For shotman. Well, see, I'm gonna do the small glitch that my brother told me, and it look kind of stupid, but look kind of cool, but it's hard to do a bit. And just grab the stem, put it there. It's going to make me smaller if I do this. Like this. And now I'm much smaller, but this is not enough. What special game mode was there? And after this, I have to boom, bam. And now I'm much smaller. But this is still not enough. Let's try again. And before going, we're gonna check again if it actually work or not. Again or not. Let's see guys. Okay, so this is the limit. Now you can see I'm much slower because my hand. But now I don't know why, but for some reason, just look at this guys. Normally, look at right now. Normally you will fly, right guys? I'll show you. This way I'm very small with my shotman. Oh my god. Very small with my shotman. Jump. But again. This. Oh, I'm like. What is this? It's so loud. Okay, so no more jump, but like click for 1 second. One. So it's so no like if you do this, you go to win for sure. The jump pack that you will cost that much. I'm like, it doesn't cost that much. I'm like, if we are on the ground and we click for a long time, it works, but in the sky, let's see. No, it don't work in the sky that much. How about now? Oh my god, it actually works in the sky. This is like a crazy glitch. Isn't this a build? But guys, this is all for the video. What did I just land on? Oh my god, I'm never going down with this. But you see that already, right guys? I'm like totally, yeah. Oh, you see that guys? But if I use normal shotman with my cool jetpack, you see guys, it's not a lot. I have to like a long time just to get to the top. But when some more make no sense, but I'm gonna try this thing. Oh my god, this green thing. But still the same because the video was just showing, I don't know why, but I get some more. That just collect a bit and just make me fly for some reason. Which I don't like it at all. Which I don't like it at all. This is going to stick. We're gonna try another thing. Remember guys, the video is going to end now guys. But by the way, I don't know why, but that just happened. I just want to try flying with that. So guys, bye. The video will end now.